Most power catamarans give you space. The Lagoon 67 gives you a private sanctuary on the ocean. 66 feet of hull, drawn by the team that defines the category. This is the technical overview, built by Lagoon in Bordeaux, France. The platform is the Lagoon Power Catamaran range, with the 67 sitting as the second largest model in the line. The hull is composite catamaran construction by VPLP, the same naval architects who shaped the Lagoon multi-hull legacy. Power comes from twin Yanmar diesels, 440 horsepower each side as standard. Cruise speed is 12 knots. Top end is 16 knots. Fuel capacity is 1,453 gallons, distributed across 4 tanks, giving the 67 the long range her owners actually use for ocean crossings. 66 feet length overall, 32 feet 10 inches of beam, just under 5 feet of water draft, air draft of 26 feet 11 inches. Light displacement 93,000 pounds. Exterior design is by Patrick Lequimont, the legendary French designer behind the Renault Revival. Interior design is by Nauta Design of Milan. The 67 carries the Oceanway China Yacht Award for Best Power Catamaran of the Year. The flybridge opens to the sky with a cabriolet bimini. The owner's suite includes a walk-in closet and a spacious bathroom worthy of the finest hotels. The aft cockpit features a reversible bench seat and a bar judiciously placed between the salon and the forward cockpit. Accommodations: 4 to 6 staterooms, 4 to 6 heads, sleeping up to 16 guests with crew quarters. Interior volume is 120 square meters. The bottom line, the 67 brings the spacious, stable living of a much larger motor yacht into a 5-foot draft package that can take you to the gunk holes a deep V cannot reach. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.